What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? So this is a quick ride along. Well, I guess it's not quick. It's a little more than 5 minutes, this video, but I want to answer some questions that were left behind as openly, as honestly as I can. And for those who have noticed, a lot of the comment section has been turned off, but the old comment section from previous videos is still open, so people are leaving questions there. So I'm going to answer the most recent ones that were left behind. Okay, here's the first question. So I noticed that you don't hang around any of the expat groups or any of the other veterans groups that are in Colombia. Is there a reason for that? Is that something I would suggest? Okay, so for me personally, I've said this in many videos and you're probably new to the channel, but I'll repeat what I've said previously. I have made a decision for me, for my peace of mind and for my happiness, not to deal with anyone from the United States of America, especially men. I don't talk to, I don't converse, I don't hang around. I only know 2 guys here that I actually speak to when we pass each other in the street or in the mall or somewhere like that. Other than that, I don't go out my way to make friends with anybody. I'm not exchanging numbers with any of them. Whatever they do here, good luck to you. You know, I'm courteous. Like if you came up to me and asked if I know where a local ATM is with the best rate, or, you know, you having trouble telling a taxi how to get back to your Airbnb or to your hotel, I can help you with that, you know, but that's as far as it's going. You know, I'm not trying to hook up, meet up, hang out, do anything with anybody from the States. That's just a personal decision that I've made. And to be honest with you, it's one of the best decisions I've ever made because of my last incident here, which was a nightmare in itself. That has worked out best for me. I live on the side of town where 80 to 85% of the people coming from the US will not be able to afford. And that keeps everything peaceful, quiet for me. And I'm really enjoying my time here in this country. Just keeping it honest, okay? Second question that I got, have I noticed all of the VA employees that are being caught all of a sudden with all of these different fraud schemes and things that are going on? Yes, I have. I put it in the WhatsApp group recently, the one from November 14th from Chula Vista, I think it is in San Diego, where there was a VA employee they caught going out talking to veterans, setting up a scam. And you guys can see it. I'm gonna talk about it on Saturday, and I'll bring up the clip, the article that from the Inspector General's office that goes over it. But basically, in a nutshell, this is a employee that went up to veterans and had them pay him a sum of money in order to get the rating that they wanted. So when he got caught, because he ended up leaving this year, and when he got caught with almost $280,000 of cash in his house and in his car. So it's not looking good. And as I told the guys in the WhatsApp group, you got to look at the play of what's happening right now. The play is right now, it is very easy for the VA to come up and you know, I'm sorry, not the VA, but Congress to come up with something that says we got to go back and recheck all these different ratings from 10 years going back. Why 10 years? Because less than 10 years, you don't really have a whole lot of protection. So this is what I personally see that they're setting up. The more that the VA stuff stays in the news, the worse it is for us who are receiving compensation, that are receiving help, whether it's through the community care service or through going to the clinic or going to a hospital. We need to stay out of the news, which is why I always encourage you guys, don't tell everybody your business. Keep that to yourself. Nobody needs to know what you got going on, where you got it going on, or how you're doing it. So be careful what you put out there on social media. Sometimes it can be interpreted the wrong way. If you got a party club or whatever, you know, share that with your immediate friends and family. That's not something you may not want to immediately put on a TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. You know, context means a lot. And as you can see from some of the situations that have been happening lately, where you have people who are disabled veterans themselves coming out saying certain things about disabled veterans who should receive benefits and who shouldn't. Context really matters, guys, okay? So by the time you see this video, guys, I'm on vacation. Decided to take a couple day vacation somewhere that wasn't too far away. So I'll be back for Saturday roll call. But until then though, guys, I am out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.